Hello. What's up, y'all? Hold on. Oh, sorry. Jesus loves me. Make sure I'm eating the right one. We gotta cook tonight. When is Thanksgiving? Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a mini mukbang, whatever it's called. But it's just a little crawfish. That's it. Oh. So good. If y'all see me eat like I ain't never ate before, it's because I'm taking this weight gain pill. And when I tell y'all, I literally swallowed my chicken sandwich yesterday. Like, swallowed it. Not the whole thing, but you know, like, I wasn't really chewing. I was so hungry. And I be eating, like, breakfast and all. Get down, Dakota. Baby. It was so good. Oh. Not the leg in my mouth. But yeah, I'm just trying to gain like 5-10 pounds. Nothing major, nothing too thick. Cause I still want to have kids. I want to have like 4 kids. I'm acting like I can't gain weight because of that. No, but it's like that many kids. I don't. Let me get you a treat so you can be out my business. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to get him a treat so he can stop begging me. Oh, but anyway, this is my last week of internship. And I can truly say I'm gonna miss them because y'all, them are some good folks. Those are some good people. It's a non-profit organization. And I can truly say, like, even some of the clients have taught me a lot. Like, just listening to them and their story. Like, y'all don't realize people be going through stuff. And sometimes they just want you to listen. They don't even want nothing from you. They just want you to listen to what they gotta say. So, I really learned a lot. And I did a lot of new things that I've never done before. And I was honest about it. Like, my boss is like laid back or whatever. So, if I don't know how to do something, you like, any questions? Or if you don't feel comfortable, just let me know. Call me anytime you need something. Like, having like a team with support, I would love to work there after I graduate. For real. Because I really love them people. Like, I'm probably gonna visit after I leave, seriously. Tomorrow is like my actual last day. And I'm gonna be sad, even though I used to be tired getting up in the morning. Feel like it was fun though. It wasn't like I was at work. It just felt like Felt like I was just around good folks, good people. I'm sorry, y'all. The sauce good. I'm acting like this is a spoon. I'm just like, the sauce is good. I gotta ask her where she got this from. Baby, this place. Okay. But anyway, I need to get my hair done. Who wanna do my hair? Because I just been out here looking a mess. Don't even care. Just took my little pictures and was done. Woo! Just a little spice, not too major, a little spice. But other than that, y'all, nothing's been going on for real. I've been doing good. I've been feeling better. I've been hanging out with friends. I've been going out to different bars and stuff. But I ain't gonna lie, I looked cute the other day. I should have did a get ready with me, but I had finals last week. Too much is going on. I think my head was just about to bust because I was so stressed. And I just was like, ah. But we went to the same place we always go. Yeah. Let me tell y'all the stuff they tried to pull. They gonna say, all right, first of all, I didn't realize the waiter she was like sitting across from us flirting with somebody. So I'm like, where's our waiter? Like, I thought the other girl was our waiter. But I'm like, okay, where's our dang waiter? So we sitting because it take me and my friends hours to get ready. It take us 2 hours to get ready. Me and Shayna, we late every time we go out somewhere. It never fails. We can never be on time. So I'm like, where's our waiter? I'm hungry. Y'all, I'm sorry. I already knew what I was gonna order. I was gonna order these Texas nachos with the chicken, the steak, the shrimp, the cheese, lettuce, mushrooms, all that. It was about to be so good because I already had it on my tongue. So, y'all, minutes, like, why are you begging? No. But anyway, so when she finally gets to the table with him, she's like, I'm just gonna take y'all with her because she's over there flirting. Dakota, stop. So when we try to order, she's talking about we can only order wings. I was so hurt. I literally just wanted to get up and leave. But I didn't drive, so I was like, bruh. And then the wings wasn't that good. And my friend told me, you taking them home? I didn't want these wings. So I felt like the experience would have been good. We probably would have been litter. And I probably would have drunk if they was like actually letting us order. Well, I wanted to order. I felt like, what was that? What is wings, honey? So we ended up doing that. But before that, I think we had more fun getting ready than actually being there. It was just so much going on. No waiters. There's a lot going on. Now I'm literally licking aside. But I want to dye my hair. Not my real hair. My weave. But I'm kind of scared. Because last time I dyed my hair, it was watercolor method. So this time I'm like, ooh. I mean, I may still be able. I'm just scared. I don't want to mess it up. So I was gonna record it, but it's like I'm kind of scared at the same time. Don't judge y'all. Because I'm about to mess this up. And Dakota keep begging. Y'all, last night I went out with my friend. And it ended up turning out to something totally different, y'all. I don't even know how I got like that. I was just like, ugh. Wait, Dakota. This is why I don't make videos, because of him begging. But anyway, it turned out being something else. We was drinking, just about to play Uno and stuff like that. It's got crazy. But I was still happy to get out. Lately, I just been trying to focus my mind on peace, or just being around people. It made me laugh. Just good energy, because y'all, it's really some weird energy out here. I realize that. Like, I realized that, like, it's really some weird energy. Like, sometimes you may not even... Dakota, we need a hush. Please. There's some weird energy. I haven't even talked no more because Dakota is throwing me off. I could do a vlog for y'all with us cooking, me and my mom. Because we're not going to be able to go home. Because as y'all know, my grandmother is doing radiation. And it's like, we don't want to put her at risk. Since we didn't get tested for COVID before we went home. So it kind of sucks because I miss my grandmother, my family. But at the same time, you gotta be cautious and thankful to still even have your people, because people are out here dying. It's just so sad that we like can't do certain things. It's just crazy. So in our kitchen, we got everything in the kitchen right now. I think we're gonna do collard greens, cornbread, like the souffle. Wait, Dakota. The ham. It's better if you do it with the corn, like you try to get it off the corn. It's soaking the corn. You just. But anyway, we got the ham that I just went to go buy, and that was it. Should I eat this, y'all? Or is this nasty? It's gonna be weird. I think my aunt is coming over and stuff, and maybe like one cousin. But yeah, I just want to go home, and it's like we can't. So I just wanted to do a little something with y'all because y'all haven't seen me since I done the last video. So I'm trying to be more consistent. I will try to do this other video. Dakota! This is why. I'm gonna try to do this other video tonight. But we shall see. And I'm probably gonna eat something else. I could have ate something else to continue, y'all, but y'all, when I tell y'all, I be so hungry now. So I'll be ready to go in. But I will get back to you guys in a minute or next video. But thank you for watching me for these little minutes, this little moment, because my dog interrupted the whole single time. But give me more suggestions to do.